Let's solve this together. It says 3 raised to the power x is equal to 72. We are required to solve for the value of x. Okay? Now, first things first, we can write out 72. So let's look at the fact. What are the factors of 72? Now 72, the factor is 2 times 2, okay, times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 18 times 6 is 36, times 2. 36 times 2 is 72. Okay? Now, this becomes equal to 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2. Okay, this is 8 times 9, which is 72. Now let's replace 72 with this in this equation. So we have 3 raised to the power x will now be equal to 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2. Now let's say we take the logarithm of both sides. So we take the logarithm of 3 raised to the power x, and it's equal to the logarithm of 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2. Now, the logarithm of this should be taken in the base of the number carrying the x. So the number with the x is 3, so it should be in the base of 3. Okay, you'll see why soon. Now, moving on from here, we can say when a logarithm is raised to power, you multiply the log with that power. So we have x multiplied by log of 3, okay, that's log of 3 in base 3. It's equal to, same thing here, when you have a log of two numbers multiplying each other, you split the log and put plus between them. So we have logarithm in base 3 of 2 raised to the power 3 plus logarithm to base 3 of 3 raised to the power 2. Okay? Now, at this juncture, moving on, you can say logarithm of a number, okay, the number is 3 to its own base, the base is 3. So the base and the number equal, it means that this logarithm can be straight out because this is equal to 1. 1 times x will give me x. Now, logarithm of 2 raised to the power 3 to base 3 plus logarithm of 3 raised to the power 2 to base 3. Hence, x here will become equal to, again, 3 will multiply the log to give me logarithm of 2 in base 3 plus 2 will multiply the log to give me logarithm of 3 in base 3. This is equal to 1. So we have 2 times 1, which is 2. Hence, our x cannot be left at 3 times logarithm of 2 to base 3 plus 2. Thanks for watching, guys. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe.